Okay, this is Mr. Robinson, and today I'm going to be talking about collaboration within Edu 2.0. The first thing we're going to do is take a class and work with it, and I'm going to choose 7J ICT here, which is not a real class, it's just kind of a sample one for us to use. Let's go ahead to the collaboration tab. Now in the collaboration section you have forums, groups, chats, wikis, and blogs. And let's start out with forums. A forum is just basically a threaded discussion. So there's like a default one here called discussions, but let's go ahead and add a new one. And let's create a little discussion on cloud computing here. And I'm going to paste in a description. Actually, I need to edit this slightly and put in a question mark here. So I've got my title, I've got my description. I can go ahead and click on save. And it will be on here, and when students access this part they can click on post, they can post their thoughts, and then other students can reply to it, again just like any other threaded discussion. You can also have discussions in the context of a lesson and actually make it a graded assignment, but again a lot of things that we go over are related, can be also used in the context of a lesson, but lessons are going to be a specific screencast on their own. So we're just going to stick with collaboration right here. So let's go to groups next. So that was forums. Next is groups. Groups allow you to create custom groups where students can join. Students can create their own groups as well, which is nice. And then within the context of those groups, they can have their own chats and discussions, and it's good for group projects and things like that. To add a group, you just click on Add Group. You put a name, description, a password. So let's just do a very simple group here. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when students join later on. And whatever kind of interest it is. Let's go ahead and click Save. And now our group is created here. Okay. And again, if you need to configure that later on, you just click on Configure, and everything is written down there. Okay, let's go back to 7J ICT, and then let's go to the next part of collaboration, which is chats. Chats are basically real-time synchronous discussions where students are chatting. I'm sure most of you are familiar with chat rooms. To add a chat, you just click on Add Chat Room, and you can create a let's do another one related to cloud computing, and you just click on Save. And then students can join these chat rooms, and then the nice part is it records a transcript as well if you want. So okay, so that is chats. Next is wikis. If you're not familiar with wikis, wikis are basically shared spaces, like a shared website where anybody can add anything that they want. Again, it's a lot of times there's restrictions on what various users can do. So basically, you can just create wiki pages, and then students can add content to it. And it's just like one big shared space. So again, let's use the cloud computing theme here we've been using. And again, you can write whatever you want in here. You can add attached files, links, all sorts of things in this area, images, whatever you want. So I'm going to keep it really simple for right now and just click Save. Okay, so again, we've got our wiki here, and if a student wants to edit it, they just click Edit and go from there. And normally I would probably put some sort of document, but again, I'm just giving a quick example. The last one is blogs. Okay, on blogs, basically everyone in the class has access to their own blog, and the teacher has their own blog as well. I think most people are pretty familiar with what blogs are at this point. Within that blog, you can enable RSS feeds, you can either enable private blogs or disable private blogs for privacy's sake. And